Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Todoist for Windows step by step. Don't worry, it's very easy and I'll explain everything clearly. First, Todoist is a popular task management and productivity app that helps you organize your work, set deadlines, track progress and stay focused, and it's used by students, professionals and the team all over the world. Now first you need to open to your computer, make sure you're connected to the internet, and after that you can open to the Google Chrome browser or any of the browser you prefer, and on the top you can see there's a search bar. Type down todoist.com and enter. Over here when you reach into this interface of the Todoist, on the bottom there's this pop-up shows that for the Todoist for Windows, and just beside it we could see there's an option for the download. Over here you can simply click the download for Windows button, and after that again select this option that says download for Windows, and over here the file will start downloading automatically, and after the download is complete you can go to the download folder and double click to the Todoist setup file. A setup window will open. Just follow the instruction and wait for the installation to finish, and that's it. That's how you can install Todoist on Windows. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I helped you. If you have any trouble or queries, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.